NEC, powering billion dreams in association with Money Control.
Right. And Aalok, if I look at this, these are not things that happen in every country in the world. Usually, at least in the technology sector, what we've noticed is, something is invented in the West and a mental model of that is adapted in India. But you have actually worked on solutions that are very unique to India, that you're solving for India in a sense. Aadhaar is, a population scale project. The optical cables that we spoke about, again, a very unique use case. And even DigiYatra, I'm not sure how many airports in the world even have something like this. So, take us through your continued investment in India. What other opportunities, white spaces do you see for growth in the future? And what kind of playbook have you developed here? The fact that you're able to build and deploy these solutions at scale for over 1 billion Indians.
India continues to and will be a strategic market. For the rest of the world, it is becoming a strategic market now because it is the largest, fastest growing economy in the world. But for NEC and for many Japanese companies, India has been a strategic market for very, very long, and it's just payback time now. Talking about the specific question you asked, the way we look at technology at NEC is how do we miniaturize the big technology and modularize it and implement it at the edge so that the power of the technology can be harnessed by every small packets of usage that it gets. So the infrastructure behind DigiYatra is very massive.
Yeah.
But what you actually end up using is a very small piece of it when you are actually standing in front of the gate. So that's the miniaturization and modularization that I'm talking about. And then when you are processing that infrastructure, that has to be done at scale. And that entire system integration is what NEC does together. So what you are seeing is only a face and a little application that interacts at the gate, but what is happening behind is multiple modules that are coming together. And that is what the system integration or orchestration that NEC is very good at. The second part of your question, I think India, while a big focus of the government in most parts of the developing world is actually to take care of the urbanization problems. And so is the case in India. But I think in India, the next wave of digital revolution will happen in the agriculture and the healthcare sector. And both of these sectors are very fragmented. They are extremely distributed, and they require a fairly high degree of precision. And if you put those three words together, fragmented, distributed, and needs precision, this is where technology can really stitch things together. And I think that some of the technology that we are currently harnessing and we are trying to implement is really going to be very beneficial for India economy as a whole, and for some of the segments like agriculture, healthcare, aviation. We are already seeing the impact, and we have similar solutions in many other domains that we are working on right now.
NEC, powering billion dreams in association with Money Control.